While what is still Hurricane Lee will be giving Maine a glancing blow, New Brunswick and Nova Scotia are squarely in its crosshairs. Today, people in those provinces were stowing whatever the wind may carry and stocking up on propane, just in case the power goes out for more than a day or two.
Jason Nappy is in for Keith tonight, and Jason, you've been talking about this, just the sheer size of the system as it moves up. It's going to impact a lot of people.
Yeah, and the sheer size of it has limited its kind of high-end potential, right? So what we've done with nor'easters here in Maine, this won't be a knockout nor'easter. This is more of a glancing blow, like we talked about. This is more along the coastline of kind of that, jabs to the stomach area. The coastline is going to take a beating from this, but statewide, this is not going to take down our whole grid of power, okay? Because it's really not set up for that. Visible satellite has the cloud cover streaming in from the south. Here is the storm well to our south on the visible. You see the cloud cover being cut away here on the southeastern side, and that's due to the dry air working in, which I'll talk about. But really, damaging wind gusts, the wild card being the fact that we've got saturated soils, a lot of leaves on the trees. So I'm going to say close to the coast is where you really have to watch for that wind situation. Flooding rains for eastern and northern Maine, not so much western and southern. High surf, rip currents, beach erosion, the overwash, the rocks, all that's coming. But right now, the wind is not a factor. I mean, not even reporting any wind speed in Caribou, 5 to 12 elsewhere. So we're not there yet. Storm is on our doorstep. It's to our south and east, and there it is, the cloud cover getting just kind of chopped off from the dry air working in from the western side, southwestern side, and you've got all that dry air on these colors popping in, just kind of undercutting the storm. But there's still rain, a bunch of it, off the coast of Cape Cod to the northwest side of the storm. As it goes extra tropical, you'll see this interact here with a, dying stationary boundary, so that's where the rain is focused right now. Tropical storm warnings are up almost statewide. This is an abundance of caution by the National Weather Service. I'm not expecting a huge statewide impact from this, but we'll have the north wind tonight. If you're going out to dinner, walking the dog, no rain as of 11 o'clock, except as you get obviously very close to down east there. And then eventually the first rain bands push in and then head up north, 8 o'clock in the morning. You'll hear the rain in Bar Harbor. You'll hear it in Cowes, Eastport. It's going to be extremely heavy there at noon. That's purely peak storm for Washington County. And then the storm pulls away at 6 in the evening from Bangor and Bar Harbor. And notice how clear and dry it is in Lewiston at that time. So rainfall is a big concern here for Cowes, close to 6 inches, but in Greenville, 0.4. So there's a large cutoff there, clearly, on the northwest side. For the Mariners into tomorrow, it's 13 to 23 feet for the seas. Wind north gusting to 60 knots. Tropical storm warning is up until Monday. The forecast rain-wise is going to be on your Saturday. Rain and wind, 60s around. Good old-fashioned nor'easter of sorts, a wet one, not a white one. Sunday, it's sunny and comfortable. Great day for cleanup. On Monday, showers develop. Into next week, things get really nice after Tuesday. The weather we've been waiting all summer and really kick off kind of fall with. It looks quite nice. Into next week, you'll have that Wednesday, Thursday, the fall feel. Dreams are coming true on Friday. So what I'll say with the storm is that for tomorrow, I'm not going to tell you not to go outside of your house. That's not me. That's not my job. That's not our job. But what I will say is if you can wait until Sunday, the danger goes down and the sun will be out. It'll be a day we can just clean up whatever mess is left from Lee.
Yeah, to see the rainfall gradient from across the state is remarkable with the storm.
That is a typical northwest cutoff of an extratropical or nor'easter. It's like, think about snow. We would get northwest side and then there'd be no snow in New Hampshire. Right, yeah.
All right, Jason, thanks so much.